Hello! In this video, you will learn how to add and customize a dial in Storyline 360 for rapid e-learning. First, go to the Insert tab. Under Interactive Objects, click Dial. Choose from the built-in designs. You can drag it onto your slide, resize and align it with other objects for a clean layout. Next, open the Format tab to customize the dial's look. Change face color, pointer style, border, or add shadow. You can even use images for a unique design. Now, in the Design tab, set how the dial behaves. Select the variable it controls, adjust the rotation range, and define values and steps for precision. Preview your project by clicking on Preview button. Dials are great for adjusting settings, exploring content, or controlling levels without complex navigation. And that's it. You've learned how to use dial interaction in Storyline 360 to create engaging, rapid e-learning experiences. Thank you for watching.